Mr. Ash Mufareh, designer of the Victory with Ash platform for learning, said something wild. Leave your wallets in place. You won't need to go on to Victory with Ash. Think about that. Most businesses want every dollar you have, but someone doing the opposite? That's a real paradigm shift. A paradigm shift is when the old way of thinking gets thrown out for something new and better. And that's exactly why Mr. Ash Mufareh built this learning system. Let's be real. There are thousands of online income opportunities out there, and 98% of people who try them fail. That's not just sad, it's unconscionable, it's unethical. Why? Because companies know you don't know how to run their systems. So what do? They send you to a guru who charges you big money, or they send you to another company and collect affiliate commissions for sending you there. You pay, they profit, you still fail. Not with Victory with Ash. 1, training is not shipped to a third party. 2, it's inside Victory with Ash. 3, and it's free. Why would Mr. Ash Mufareh do that? Because he's not money motivated. He wants everyone to have a real shot. When his new company launches, you'll know exactly what to do. No confusion, no gurus, no hidden fees. That's revolutionary, that's monumental, that's Victory with Ash platform! Imagine 98% of verified members graduating into the new company. The other 2%, they didn't fail because they couldn't do it. They just didn't want to do the work. No entitlement here. When the new company opens, every trained verified member will hit the ground running, boots on the ground, direction clear. This is your chance to change your legacy and your family's legacy. The Victory with Ash learning platform is a gift from Mr. Ash Mufareh, his tech team, and his family, to every loyal verified member who's waited. Are you ready? Subscribe, comment, click the bell for all notifications.